Join me, let's make yam and beef stir fry. Guys, I really thought I'd uploaded this video like 3 days ago because the demand was really high. I posted it on my story and a lot of people were asking for the recipe. Little did I know that I had not posted. So guys, I just had to make this post. If you come across this video, try your best to share. Can you see I'm cutting this yam? Can you see the shape? Try your very best to cut yours in the same shape, guys. Yeah, so I had finished cutting my yam. Now I'm going to put on my heat sauce, put vegetable oil, ready to fry the yam. And while frying yam, please make sure you dice some onions because it's very, very essential. Another important thing is salt, just a little bit of salt. Put it in your hot oil. Then you put the onions after putting your yam. So while it is frying, we want to get our beef ready. We're going to marinate the beef. If you've been following me for a while now, you know how we marinate our beef. But for the sake of those people that are coming across my video for the very first time, I'm still going to show you how to perfectly marinate your beef. So you just cut it to your desired shape. It depends on how small, big, the shape you want. Then after getting the perfect shape, you're going to put it in a bowl. Then put your spices, the salt, everything you're going to be using. Then you massage it, like give it a very good massage and stir. You cover it whether in your fridge or in a very cold place and allow it to stay for like 30 minutes to 1 hour. Anything less than that is not marinating. Do you understand? Then we're going to go ahead and cut all our pepper, the different colors. You know how we do it now, different colors to make our meals colorful. Yeah, so anyone you have at your disposal, please make use of it. Yeah, so immediately we finish doing that, don't forget your onions. So onions, good day, plenty onions. This is stir fry, so you need all the onions you can get, guys. Then our scent leaf, yeah, we're going to be making use of scent leaf. It depends on the kind of leaf you have. My husband just came to say hi in the kitchen, guys. So yeah, I'm making use of scent leaf for this particular recipe. If you have your fresh curry leaf, you can as well use it. Yeah, so these are the two leaves that you can use. In a pan, you're going to fry onions, then put in your beef and stir until it cooks. Until it cooks, please. And put in the scent leaf, then pack everything and fry another batch of onions. Yeah, just a little oil, then another onions again. You put in the pepper, all the peppers that we cut earlier, we're going to be using them. The green, the yellow, the red, just to make our stir fry so colorful and yummy. You then put your onion leaf and fry for a while. Please don't overcook anything here. It's stir fry. Then you put in your fried yam. Fried yam, oh, don't go and put raw yam. You're on your own. This is not my recipe. My recipe says fried yam. Then you give it a quick stir and your yummy is ready. Guys, thank you for watching. Do have a blessed day. Bye.